Hey everyone, today we're in the San Juan Mountains and we are looking for the King Bolete mushroom. We're mushroom hunting. Let's see what we can find.
Mushroom. That's not the one we're looking for. It's not the one.
Let's not drive over all of them. Come on. Thunder.
Looks like we're close to it.
Hey, let's walk this way. I see some straight ahead.
Ooh.
So look over here. Yeah. Don't touch those, okay?
These are not the ones in the
No, definitely not. They're pretty though.
Definitely not.
Oh, definitely not. Let's look at those. Oh yeah. Maybe truck. Those are cool.
Found something.
She's still hunting.
Is it anything?
Turn it upside down. It's a. I have no idea. I'm not sure. It has pores. I'm sure someone knows.
Yeah,
On
let
the
us know
internet.
what this is.
Look at these. Whole cluster.
They're just hiding everywhere. You see that guy? And then look, he's there all through here. Look at these. These are interesting. There it goes. What is that one? This is definitely mushroom season with the wide variety of fungi growing in the forest, and we finally came to the boletes that we were searching for this whole time. Oh wow.
I think this is what we want.
Does it have gills?
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah.
Mom, give
This
me
is
give my smile
what we're
in the
looking for.
video. Does it have gills?
No, it has. It's a
Look, it
sponge.
says right there.
Cleaning it up and getting the dirt off.
Yeah. That's gonna be a good one. Yeah, here's the other one. We're gonna come get this one in the morning. We're gonna see what it does overnight. I'm curious. That's another one. But it's a little one. We'll see what it does overnight.
That's how big that guy is.
Look at this.
Oh, he's
pushing up the. Yeah, you want.
Look at that. Look how strong they are. That he actually pulled up a rock.
That's cool. Oh, why you wanna move it? Wanna dig it out.
You're getting a video of my truck now.
Yeah. Nice.
Good find.
Oh, these are gonna be delicacies. Look, there's one right up there. Oop, there's lightning.
Oh, we gotta go.
Y'all, we're gonna have to remember this spot.
This is a honey hole.
Uh-huh.
It's not,
I'll clean it real quick.
oh
Yeah, let's go back. Look, there's something up there with some bear poop, I think.
So what we found is that the one we found on the side of the road, we just walked straight up the hill or straight up off of from where we found it. And we're finding them fairly consistently. Sam found something. Whoa, Sam! Is that what we're looking for?
We'll see. I think so. It looks like a big old fat stump. You don't know until you can see the gills. Or lack of gills is actually. You're not looking for gills. You're looking for the sponge. Ooh, he's in there deep.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Sammy, let's hold that up, Sam.
Hold it up, Sam. Look what Sam found.
Woo, Sam!
It doesn't have gills.
You did it.
I found a mushroom.
Nice.
Supposed to do this because I guess it'll help the trail.
Yeah, we want to leave as many spores behind as we can. Sam found the mega. It's probably the biggest one so far.
Yeah.
These are wrong. You don't want gills like this.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa! Those are huge. This is when you can see a rodent has chewed the top. Silas has found an abundance, and I recommend if you're going to go mushroom hunting, train a young person because young eyes are good at this. Whoa! Silas, yes. And the sun is rising. We started at probably 9 o'clock this morning, maybe a little earlier. It's our abundance. Good job, guys.
Silas found a big one, a bigger one. You can see it's already spongy. This is already turned. The spores are already dropping. And we'll just see, sometimes they get worms too. So, oh yeah, look at the worms right there.
Oh, grotesque. Little buddies.
Yep. That's why it's nice to get them like this. Brand new. Like prime.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.